You've always been the builder, the one who plans, climbs, and carries more than most. But this June, the universe whispers something unexpected. It's okay to soften. Jupiter has entered Cancer, your opposite sign, and it brings attention to your relationships. But not just romantic ones, all forms of connection. This is a time to ask, who walks beside me? And do they walk with respect or just out of habit? You're used to doing things alone. You pride yourself on being dependable, solid, strong. But even the mountain needs rest. Even you are allowed to be held. Mars in Leo stirs your inner world, your fears, your secrets, your desires. It's not a comfortable place to be. But discomfort isn't danger. Sometimes it's just growth arriving in silence. Mid-month, Mars squares Uranus, which may shake something in your love life or creative expression. You may feel suddenly reactive or tempted to break free from a pattern that no longer serves. If that happens, pause. Reacting won't give you the clarity you're craving. Reflection will. Venus and Mercury in Cancer soften your voice and your perspective. You may find it easier to share what you feel, or harder to hold back what you've hidden. Let truth come to the surface, gently. Not everything needs to be said at once, but some things need to be said soon. Career-wise, this month isn't about climbing faster, it's about checking your direction. Is the sun that you're chasing still the one you want? You might find yourself wanting more meaning in your work, or more balance in your time. That's not laziness, that's wisdom. Financially, avoid taking risks out of pressure. You're better off refining systems than reinventing the wheel. In relationships, this is a turning point. Whether you deepen a bond, set a boundary, or walk away, do it with intention. You're not here to hold what holds you back. Emotionally, there's a quiet shift happening, a release of old stories, a readiness to feel more without fearing the fall. By the end of June, you may feel clearer, not because everything is solved, but because you stopped carrying it all alone. This is your invitation, Capricorn. Let support in. Let love feel safe. And let strength be softer than you were taught. If this felt true for you, stay close. The sky is still unfolding, and you haven't seen everything yet. Don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. And check the description. 2 special gifts are waiting for you. Until next time, keep looking to the stars.